Shoulder is Phil, Isaac, Derek, Paul, and Kevin. Sophie on your tongue. Isaac, Derek, Paul, and Kevin. Everybody's on the clock. You can set order to keep round 3. Round 4. Right now, Phil is up in the lead. 25-12. Kevin is on 18-501. Isaac's on 18-501. Derek's on 17-502 and Darren's on 15-511. And Eric got out there. Four minutes left. You're right there. Alright, one down quarter go the order is Sophie on a 19-506. Isaac 1.6 back on 19-513. Kevin's on 18-513. Derek's on 17-510. Paul's on 15-5 flat. And Eric's on 12-5-6. Fastest lap of the race is held by your current leader, Sophie, with a 15-4. Oh man, Kevin's popping a ball clutch. He's been having some bad luck this weekend. 3 minutes left. 2-3 the order. Sophie on a 19-506. Isaac 5.7 back on an 18-504. Kevin's on an 18-512. Now it's Derek because Kevin had the ball clutch issue. He's on a 17-509. Paul's in the 16-508, Kevin's in the first spot, and 15-505, and Eric's on a 15-515. The race watch right now is the first. They're separated by 6.5. That is Shelby in the red, white, and gold. T42 in the green and red. T42. Alright guys. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. The order is Sophie still on an 19-507. Isaac's on an 18-503. Derek's on a 17-515. And Burns on a 16-507. Eric's on a 15-508. And Ken's on a 14-5 flat. $130 left. Sophie setting the fast lap. A couple laps to go with a 15-4, just a bit faster than the other one. One minute left. They're going to make a amazing match of time. Oh no! Silky has got 3 wheels. That is... looks like it's still running pretty good. Oh darn, he's on a great run. He's still keeping it going though. 50 seconds left, guys. rolling. All right. So you are done. Isaac, you are done. Eric, keep going until you're done. Eric, you're done. Kevin, you're done. Just waiting on Eric. And
Car 5 is done.
Eric is done. Please, pointing laser down here. Alright, so we'll take that one on 3 wheels with the 18.5 flat.